Do you want to know how you can log into your Barclays Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Barclays Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar and then search for Barclays Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official page of Barclays. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and click login, which is over here, or you can see login on the top right hand corner. Click on it and there are various ways you can log into your account. The first way is writing down your membership number. The second is your card number and the third is sort code or account number. So, if you want to log in using your membership number, write down your last name, your membership number and click continue. If you want to log in using your card number, click on card number, go ahead and write down your last name, your card number and press continue as well. And for the sort code and account number, click on it, write down your last name, your sort code, your account number and click continue. This way you can log in to your Barclays Mortgage account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Barclays Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.